This video shows how you can make different colored lightning displays. The colors displayed are dependent on the program you choose to load on the control board. A link below connects to instructions on how to do that. This video is one of the hundreds of video tutorials published by The World of Rail. The tutorials provide instructions related to scale model scenery, model train operations, lighted figure animation, and much more. In this segment, we stroll through the content of the channel so that you get a feel for the extensive nature of the tutorial collection. Below the video, there's a link to the World of Rail video channel. You might find it informative to visit that channel and see if there's something that will be helpful to you. And if you do not find what you would like, tell us what you need in the comments box, and we'll make our best efforts to make a video on that subject. With that being said, we will now continue on with the subject of this video. In this first sequence, you see two LED strips simply laid out straight on the table. The strips are controlled by different programs. The strips are activated by sensing the level of the sound of thunder played on an MP3 player. So that you hear the thunder as lightning strikes, the MP3 player is also connected to a speaker. You can use strips laid out like this, or for a different effect, covered with silicone down. The down makes for an impressive display of lightning in a cloud. In this next sequence, you see a strip wired to a cardboard frame. You can, of course, design a different frame and/or add more than one strip. As a matter of note, one of our customers wound the strip inside a glass bottle. She then covered the bottle with silicone down. Adding the bottle cap and placing the bottle cap down, it made for a unique lightning display. The point is, let your creative juices flow. Here you see the frame covered with silicone down. Note that a link to silicone down is below the video. And this is how it looks with a program activated. If you have any comments or something to add, use the comments box below. And if you've made a Thunder project and would like to have us display it in our webpage, contact us through the link below and we will work with you. I hope this has been informative. Happy modeling.